You've just bought a shiny new car. Exciting, isn't it? The smell of the new leather seats, the pristine paint job, and the thrill of driving something that's never been owned by anyone else. It's a feeling like no other. You can almost see yourself cruising down the highway, windows down, music blasting, and not a care in the world. But before you get too carried away, there's something you might want to check. You're familiarizing yourself with all the fancy gadgets, the Bluetooth system, maybe even a heated steering wheel. The technology in modern cars is truly astounding. From voice-activated controls to advanced navigation systems, it's like having a mini computer on wheels. You might spend hours just exploring all the features, setting up your favorite radio stations and syncing your phone. It's all part of the fun of owning a new car. Then you pop the boot and... wait, where's the spare tire? You rummage around, lifting the floor panel, checking every nook and cranny, but it's nowhere to be found. It's a moment of confusion and maybe even a bit of panic. After all, a flat tire can happen to anyone, and being stranded without a spare is a situation no one wants to be in. Don't panic, you're not alone. This is a common scenario for many new car owners. The absence of a spare tire might seem like a glaring oversight, but there's a reason behind it. Car manufacturers are making changes to improve fuel efficiency and reduce weight. By eliminating the spare tire, they can save on space and weight, which in turn helps with fuel economy. Many new cars today are ditching the spare tire. Instead, they come equipped with tire repair kits or run-flat tires. These alternatives are designed to get you to the nearest service station without the need for a full tire change. It's a shift in how we think about car maintenance and emergency preparedness. In fact, a recent study showed that nearly 35% of new cars sold in America come without a spare. Blimey, this trend is growing, and it's something that new car buyers need to be aware of. While it might seem inconvenient at first, understanding the reasons behind this change can help you be better prepared. So, next time you're in the market for a new car, make sure to ask about the spare tire situation. It might just save you from a surprise down the road. So why are car makers doing this? Why are they making the controversial decision to remove spare tires from new vehicles? It's a question that has puzzled many car owners and enthusiasts alike. Well, it's all about weight, my friends. The automotive industry is in a constant race to produce lighter, more fuel-efficient vehicles. See, car manufacturers are obsessed with fuel efficiency these days. With rising fuel costs and increasing environmental concerns, the pressure to create cars that consume less fuel is higher than ever. And what's one of the easiest ways to improve fuel economy? By reducing the overall weight of the vehicle. You guessed it, reduce weight. Removing the spare tire is one of the simplest and most effective ways to achieve this. That spare tire might not seem like much, but every little bit helps. A spare tire can weigh anywhere from 30 to 50 pounds depending on the type and size. A lighter car means less fuel consumption, which in turn means less money spent at the pump. But it's not just about saving money. It's also about reducing the car's carbon footprint. By making cars lighter, manufacturers can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions. This is a crucial step in the fight against climate change. Of course, the removal of the spare tire has its downsides. Drivers are left to rely on tire repair kits or roadside assistance in the event of a flat tire. While these solutions can be effective, they are not always as reliable or convenient as having a spare tire on hand. So, the next time you find yourself wondering why your new car doesn't come with a spare tire, remember that it's all part of a larger effort to create more efficient, eco-friendly vehicles. It's a trade-off that reflects the changing priorities of the automotive industry and the growing importance of sustainability in our world today. But it's not just about saving you a few quid on petrol. Reducing fuel consumption also means reducing harmful emissions. The less fuel a car burns, the less CO2 it pumps into the atmosphere. So, in a way, ditching the spare tire is a small step towards a greener planet. Who would have thought, eh? Now you might be thinking, but Jeremy, what happens if I get a flat tire? It's a common concern for many drivers, especially those who travel long distances or drive in areas where roadside assistance might not be readily available. Flat tires can be a real hassle, but fortunately, car manufacturers have been innovating to make this less of a worry for modern drivers. Don't worry, manufacturers have thought of that. Over the years, they've developed several solutions to ensure that a flat tire doesn't leave you stranded on the side of the road. These solutions range from advanced tire technologies to convenient repair kits that can get you back on the road in no time. They're offering alternatives to the traditional spare tire. You might have noticed that many modern cars no longer come with a full-sized spare tire. Instead, they come equipped with various tools and technologies designed to address flat tires more efficiently and with less hassle. Some cars come with tire repair kits, which basically involve injecting a sealant into the punctured tire. These kits are compact and easy to use, allowing you to temporarily fix the puncture and drive to the nearest service station. The sealant works by filling the hole and creating a temporary seal, giving you enough time to seek professional help. Others have run-flat tires, specially designed to keep going for a limited distance even after a puncture. Run-flat tires are built with reinforced sidewalls that can support the weight of the vehicle even when the tire has lost air pressure. This means you can continue driving for a certain distance, usually around 50 miles, at a reduced speed, giving you ample time to find a safe place to stop and get the tire repaired or replaced. And then there's always roadside assistance, a phone call away to save the day. Many car manufacturers offer roadside assistance programs as part of their warranty packages. These services can be a lifesaver, providing help with flat tires, towing, and other emergencies. All you need to do is make a call, and a professional will be dispatched to your location to assist you. This can be especially reassuring if you're driving in an unfamiliar area or during inclement weather. It's also worth noting that many modern vehicles come equipped with tire pressure monitoring systems, TPMS. These systems alert you when your tire pressure is low, helping you address potential issues before they become serious problems. By keeping an eye on your tire pressure, you can reduce the risk of getting a flat tire in the first place. Regular maintenance is key to preventing flat tires. Make it a habit to check your tire pressure regularly and ensure your tires are in good condition. Look for signs of wear and tear such as cracks or bulges, and replace your tires when necessary. Properly inflated and well-maintained tires not only reduce the risk of flats, but also improve your vehicle's fuel efficiency and overall performance. So the next time you hit the road, you can drive with confidence knowing that there are multiple solutions available to handle a flat tire. Whether it's a tire repair kit, run-flat tires, or the peace of mind that comes with roadside assistance, you're well equipped to deal with any unexpected tire issues. Safe travels. The run-flat reality check cost and lifespan. Sounds good, right? Well, not so fast. These alternatives have their downsides too. Run-flat tires, for instance, are more expensive to replace than regular tires, and they don't last as long either. Plus, they can give you a rather bumpy ride, even when they're fully inflated. Roadside assistance can be a lifesaver, but it's not always reliable, especially if you're venturing off the beaten path. Imagine being stranded in the middle of nowhere with a flat tire and no phone signal. Not ideal, is it? So, what's a savvy motorist to do? First, check your new car to see what it comes with. Does it have a repair kit, run-flat tires? Make sure you know how to use the kit or the limitations of your run-flats. If you're not comfortable relying on these alternatives, consider buying a compact spare tire. These are smaller and lighter than full-size spares, but they'll still get you rolling again in an emergency. You can usually find them at your local dealership or auto parts store. No one thinks about a flat tire until it happens. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more smart tips most people overlook. Be prepared and drive safe.